If you think editing is cheating, you're ignoring the way photography has always worked. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. So to be clear, editing is not cheating. It's historically part of photography's DNA. From darkroom days, legends such as Ansel Adams used techniques like dodging and burning to guide the viewer's eye and control exposure. Cropping, contrast tweaks, color toning, they've always been tools of the trade. Today, apps like Lightroom or Capture One just give us faster, more flexible ways to do the same thing. Your camera captures the data and you bring the vision. Editing is how you make the image depict what you saw or felt in the moment when you took that picture. Worried about over-editing? Well, here's the truth. There's no single right level of editing. It depends on your intent and your taste. So ask yourself, do these edits help tell the story, set the mood or guide attention? If the answer is yes, then all good. You're not cheating, you're crafting, and that's the whole point. Respect the craft, edit with intent, and don't let the purists hold you back. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.